Hello, my lovely and wonderful family. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by again today to watch my video. So over the weekend, I made some delicious garden egg sauce which I enjoyed with boiled plantain. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this recipe. Without wasting your time, let's dive into the video. For this garden egg sauce recipe, garden eggs are our main ingredients. I have here some green and white garden eggs, and then we'll also be adding some fresh peppers and the tomatoes. And I will start by grinding or blending the tomatoes. I've just used my manual blender to blend it after washing. So I have the mixture of the blended tomatoes and the pepper. I will go ahead now, pour into the pot and boil it down. While the tomatoes is boiling, I will now wash and cut the garden eggs into smaller chunks because we are also going to boil it. After cutting it, I'll add in a pot with a little water and cook or boil it for about 10 minutes or until it gets soft. After boiling it for about 10 minutes, it is now soft and time to pound or blend it. I'm going to use my mortar and pestle for this. You can use your food processor if you have, or you can also use your blender, but you don't have to make it to be too smooth because you want some of those chunks in it. After prepping the tomatoes and the garden eggs, it is now time to make the sauce or fry the sauce. So in a dry pot, I add some palm oil. You can use vegetable oil if you prefer. You can also bleach your oil if you prefer. But for this recipe and how I learned to make it, I'm using palm oil. And when the palm oil gets hot, I'll add some chopped or cut onions and fry for about a minute. I'll add some curry and a garlic powder for more flavor. Add some ground shrimp or crayfish and keep frying. After frying that for a few seconds, I'll then add my tomato mix. That is the fresh tomato and pepper which I boiled down earlier on. After frying the tomatoes for about 2 minutes, I have here some smoked fish. I will add that and stir. I will also be adding some cow skin. After stirring this, I'll also add that. I'll also add some seasoning cubes. Here I'm using 2 seasoning cubes and a little amount of salt. I'll then stir everything together, cover and allow to cook for about 5 minutes before we get to the next step. Keep watching. After about 5 minutes, this is what we have. It's going to be too thick for me, so I will just add it. I have some meat stock. I will add meat stock. It is blocked, but that notwithstanding, it's going to dissolve in a minute. If you don't have meat stock, you can use water, but if you don't want to add any liquid at all, go ahead and enjoy it thick. I'll cover the pot again and allow it to cook for 1 more minute. And now it is time to add our pounded or blended garden egg, the star of the dish. I will then stir it and mix it very well with the sauce. I have some of my ground crayfish remaining. I'll just add it and stir it together. I will then cover and allow to cook for 2 more minutes, and here our garden egg sauce is ready. This garden egg sauce is so good. It tastes so delicious. I hope you give it a try. You can use it to eat your boiled yams, boiled plantains, boiled potatoes, even boiled cocoyam. I've not tried it with rice, but I'm going to give it a try. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like the video, give me a thumbs up, and also share the video. Please help me share the video. God bless you. Thank you for sharing. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.